In this video, I'm going to show you how to change recovery phone number in your Gmail account. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now the first thing you will need to do is get into your Gmail account. Then you'll need to click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then click on manage your account. Then go to security. Then scroll down. Then you are going to see recovery phone. Just tap on it. Then just tap on that edit icon beside the delete button. So just tap on edit. Then you are going to change your number there. Then after you change your number, just click on update. Then your recovery phone number will be changed. So that's it guys, that's how you can simply change your recovery phone number. Now if this video has helped you out, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.